Hi, my name is Eduardo. I'm a flight test engineer at Motos, the biggest drone company in Latin America. Backed by a long history of innovation and technological advancement, we've brought Brazil to the global drone industry. Our latest achievement is the entrance into the military industry, now consecrated by our partnership with MBDA.
We have been working with Motos now on this feasibility study to integrate an enforcer-like missile under the drone, the Dora drone.
We're doing the integration between the Nauru 1000C, a vertical takeoff and landing drone designed for security, border monitoring, mapping, and surveillance. The Nauru 1000C system includes 3 aircrafts and multiple subsystems that can be loaded into the operational ground base for transport. Equipped with Motos' dual autopilot system, it ensures a high level of safety during operations and offers backup capabilities. These aircrafts can fly up to 100 kilometers, and during flights lasting up to 10 hours. Today, we are performing the first flight trial in cooperation with MBDA, and it's a game changer for armed forces.
The missile itself is originally a shoulder-launched, very lightweight, very affordable, and very small, so the perfect missile for such an integration attempt.
While conducting the test, we achieved successful results, leaving us excited to proceed to the next level. To reach our goal, we are conducting a flight with a mock-up missile to simulate the weapon's integration into the aircraft and analyze its effects on the aircraft dynamics and stability. With the results obtained, we will move to the next step, which includes deployment, target identification, and other subsystems that will support this advanced and strategic equipment. We're making history, we're shaping the future, and the future is right now.
Vocês estão vendo aí que este é um drone que é o Nauru 1000C, sendo armado com mísseis de última geração. Eles estão fazendo essa experiência, A empresa Motos é uma empresa que fez parceria com outra empresa francesa para melhoria desse drone. Ele já está aí trabalhando no Brasil, mas por enquanto ele ainda não tinha sido armado com mísseis, está sendo armado com mísseis de última geração. Então parece que as nossas Forças Armadas, o Exército Brasileiro em especial, está realmente melhorando e se preocupando com as nossas fronteiras. Se você gostou do vídeo, curte, comenta, compartilha e se inscreve no canal. Até o próximo vídeo!